Good morning, class 10 of Kalyanka. I am N Singh. I am here for mathematics. My dear students, I have already started trigonometry. There are 4 exercises in trigonometry. I have explained trigonometric ratios. Yesterday I have explained about some specific angles. You might have solved and you must have learned how can you solve that question. Now for exercise 8.3. This is trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Complementary angles you must have studied in geometry. If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, each angle is called complementary angles. And supplementary, you know very well, if the sum of two angles of any triangle is 180 degrees, the sum of two angles, suppose this is a line segment and this is another ray. So if the sum of these two angles is 180, these angles are called supplementary angles. But here we will concentrate on complementary angles. Suppose this angle is theta. Now my question is, what is the value of angle A? Angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, it is a right angle. And angle C, we have supposed theta. So, what is the value of angle A? Angle A, you know, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Angle sum property, this is a very important theorem. You must have learned in class 8. The sum of all angles of any triangle is always 180 degree. So angle A, angle B is 90 degree, and C we have supposed theta. Now by transferring we can find angle A. The angle A is equal to 190 minus 90 minus theta. This means 90 minus theta. So angle A is 90 minus theta. Now for this angle you have to find the trigonometric ratios. Now you see, we have already explained there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this will be AB by AC. For the time being, suppose this is 1. Cos theta B by H, and B here base is BC by AC. This is number 2, suppose. And tan theta is equal to P by B, so AB by BC. And other 3 ratios I have explained. That is the converse of these 3. Cosec converse of sin, sec converse of cos, and cot converse of tan. And now you have to find the value of sin A. A means 90 minus theta. This angle is 90 minus theta. So for this angle, BC will be perpendicular and AB will be base, and H is always same. This will be BC by AC. Number 1. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos is equal to B by H. But my dear, you can see here the base and perpendicular are changing. for this angle theta, this is perpendicular, this is base. But for this angle, this is 90 minus theta. BC is the perpendicular and AB is the base. So cos 90 minus theta, B by H. AB by AC. Now you compare this sin theta AB by AC and cos 90 minus theta AB by AC. Now you compare the right side are equal. Now this means, this is formula number 1, sin 90 minus theta. So this 6 important theorem, important formula, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. And similarly, sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta. You will be note down this 6, and cot theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan. So these are the 6 formula. With the help of this formula, you can solve the question of 8.3. So today, you must have learned trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles, if the sum of any 2 angles is 90 degree. The sum of any 2 angles is 90 degree. So they are called complementary angles. Suppose this is theta. This means angle A. Angle A will be 90 minus theta. Now you see, how can you utilize this question, this formula rather, to solve the given problems, and you will try to solve. I solve a few questions. Now you see 8.3. 8.3. Evaluate. Exercise 8.3. Evaluate. Question number 1. Evaluate sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Now, student, you see, we have learned in previous exercise the value of some specific angles. We have evaluated many questions. But here, the angles are 18 degree, 20 degree, 18 degree, 20 degree. So how can you evaluate? Because we don't know value of 18 degree and value of some cos 70. You use the complementary angle. Sin 18 degree can be written sin 90 minus 72. You can understand here, and you limit 72 degree. And now use that formula, sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Here theta is 72, so this will be cos 72 upon cos 72 degree. Both will be cancelled and the result will be 1. This is the solution. Now you can ask, sir, can we change cos 72? Yes. Now you can see. You limit sin 18 degree and convert cos 72 into cos 90 minus 18 degree. Now use that identity. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So this is a sine 18 degree. And this is all these two will be cancelled and the result is 1. Okay, my dear students. So this is 8.3 trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. And I will try to send you the homework for this exercise. So this is 8.3 trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. Thank you.